Yeah, get into it.
Hello. Wear your mask and stay safe. So, I'm about to film my breast collection organization haul video, and I haven't done my makeup yet. So, I had the idea like, maybe I should do a video of me doing my makeup and how I do it. So, I'm broke. I can't eat! And I don't know nothing about makeup for real. I really only care for eye makeup. So, let's get into me filming my broke girl makeup tutorial just for eyes, because I don't know how to do none of that other stuff. So, yeah, here's my outfit really quick before you just see my face. I got my... don't want to show that. Got my little stitch booties on that I wear around the house, my fat cat bag, and I want to kind of dress like a Bratz doll for my little video. So
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Here we go. Let me spray on some perfume before I start, because I love to smell good while I do my makeup. So I like to put a little bit of, obviously, 1000 Wishes, one of the Bath & Body Works best scents on. And lately I've been mixing my 1000 Wishes with this new scent called Gingham. It smells so amazing. Thank you so much to Bath & Body Works for making these amazing stuff. But anyways, you're here to see me do my eye makeup, not put perfume all over myself. Let me put my fat cat over here. So, obviously, I have no furniture in my room. All you see is my doll army back here. And that's because I just moved. Stressful process. So right now I have just my dolls. I've been sleeping on the floor. And granted, the floor is comfortable. Let me tell you, sometimes the floor sleeps be good. I do miss my bed. So, to fill in the space of the bed, I put my doll army all around my room. So, yeah, excuse them in the background once again. Anyways, let's get into it. I am blind.
I can't see shit without my fucking glasses.
So, this is gonna be a challenge because I don't feel like putting my contacts in. So I'm gonna have to do this blind. That's why I have my mirror here, so I can really see. What I usually use when I do my makeup is yes, I'm a hoarder. All this stuff I do not need, nor do I use. What I usually use every day is this busted up concealer that I got from Walgreens, I think. So yeah, this, these two mascaras, love them. If I have a blemish or something, I use this and put it on there. It actually heals. It's makeup that heals your blemish. It's Neutrogena skin clearing blemish concealer. A great product. And my face has been breaking out so bad lately because of those masks. Still wear your mask, because I would rather have a breakout than get, you know, the C word. The C word. But yeah, this is what I use. I love winged eyeliner. So I go back and forth between these three, the Wet n Wild one, the Neutrogena one. I love Neutrogena's makeup line. It works really well on my skin. My skin breaks out every day, all the time. Horrible. And my mom recently gave me this. She got it out of one of her Ipsy bags. It's an expensive liquid liner. The what does that say? Ilamasqua. Sounds bougie, but I like it. It's pretty nice. I almost forgot my what is this called?
Stupid.
Whatever it is, that thing. What I do to start off is I just, it's closer. I can't see. So I put, my eyes are all oily. Oh, God, Keep in mind, guys, I'm not the person you should be taking makeup advice from. I don't know jack squat about it. I just do it how I think looks kind of cute. Which in reality it's probably not that cute, and everybody's looking at me like, what in the world do you have on your face? Because they tell me, oh, your makeup looks cute, and then I'm just like, you lie! You lie! You lie! Hello, yes, I'm at this angle now. Get over it. Anyways, so back to what I was attempting to do. Where is it? Right in my face. Right here. Where am I looking? But I've decided I'm gonna do a little bit of dark colors with some glitter. Maybe mix these two. Get a blue in there. That one. So we'll see how it turns out. Now I usually just dip my finger in one of these. Which color do I want to do first? Just navy blue. This is gonna look terrible. See how trash that looks? Whoa. I'll be surprised. Let me, yeah, we're not gonna have that happen again. Let me just take all jewelry off. Yes, my hair was really getting in my way. Maybe put it up. So, this is how it looks so far. It may look good on camera, but trust me, in person,
I look like a clown.
put that on my hair. We do a little bit of a lighter blue. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Trash, I know. So, moving on. Next, no, wait, I'm doing the wrong order. Okay, I almost forgot to do my mascara. Sometimes I do my mascara before all this. Sometimes I do it after. I'm just doing it now because I feel like it. Then, now let's go ahead and do my eyeliner. This is one of my biggest challenges. So, okay, that doesn't look too bad right now. And then do the same thing to the other side. Touching up my wings before I do what I'm about to do. So when I mess up my wing, I kind of just lick my finger and then go like this. Disgusting! Obviously, I'm probably not supposed to be doing. So for some reason, I don't know why, but a lot of times this one works, the little cheapest one, my Wet n Wild one, works better than the expensive one. God, I fudged it all up. Fudged it up, guys.
I have to restart my potatoes.
Always do that. See how I'm not an expert? I'm so terrible, huh? There. I love that. Excellent. And then at the end, I kind of just get a cotton swab or something.
Cotton swab?
And clean it up. I kind of get one of my old dingy ones or something like that, and all the beauty gurus are most likely nobody's gonna watch this, but like my mom and my grandma, not even them, probably just my government agent will see this video. I just dip it right here, and I'm just gonna make my little, if you follow me on my social media, I like to do little signs right under my eye. I love the days where I don't have to redo it and I get it done in one take, which is never. Yay, okay, so I got it done. Finally. Now, on the other side, I do a star. Dang it, I whacked the whole thing away. That's okay. That one's actually cute. I just wanted to fix the side and then wipe the whole freaking star.
Idiot!
And here I am, praising the star for being easy. And it's being difficult today.
One eternity later.
Okay. So after all that stressing, I finally finished my star. And my hearts. Okay. And then a lot of times after I'm done fidgeting with those two things for about 4 hours, I take some more of this. I love the darkness.
Now, darkness!
Yeah, I'm almost done. Just got a few more things that I do. Kind of decent. So yeah, it looks good from far away, but when I come up close, see how terrible that looks? It's not pointy at all. I hate when it's not pointy with a sharp point. Okay, now, anyways, moving on, because this is way too long. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter. Glitter's fun. We love glitter. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to do one of my favorite parts. Put my eyeliner on and do my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, I'm talking about almost done. I haven't done my eyebrows. And that's what I was gonna do. So for just about every eye look I do, I take some white. That's highlighter, but whatever. Now, is this the last thing I have to do? So I'm pretty sure the last thing I have to do is put my eyebrow pencil on. So this always happens to this eyebrow pencil. So I utilize my mascara again.
Once again.
Because no, I'm not about to go out and keep buying one of these every time it runs down. So when it runs down, I usually just put some mascara in my eyebrows and comb it through. So yeah, that's what I do. Everybody usually gives me compliments on my eyebrows. I love your eyebrows. I didn't use brow gel. I just put some mascara in my eyebrows and combed it through. Yes, okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm done now. Touch it up a little bit. So here is my finished look. Ooh, no, not so finished. Okay, there we go. Then, okay. Oh, one more thing. I'm talking about finished. Every time I say finished, they're almost done. I'm not even close. So I got a couple little blemishes from my mask. Oh, my face is breaking out so bad. But that's okay. It's life. It happens. Now my look is finished, and I got a bunch of makeup all over myself.
Now I'm starting to really come into form.
I'm kind of feeling it. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. It turned out better than I anticipated. Definitely, that's for sure.
Oh, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Let me go ahead and bring the beast back out. Oh, I'm talking about almost finished. Forgot to put the gloss on. And just a tad bit of mascara. Just a little bit. Because sometimes that illuminates the lashes. Yes, now we're cooking. I think I did a pretty decent job today. Touching it up as I talk. Excuse my mustache. So, yeah, this is my little look.
She's a disgrace to humanity, and she's a disgrace to women who are actually beautiful and classy, and she just doesn't have the vernacular that she thinks she possesses. Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.